Rain day. That's what I call the negotiation for playing. B always wins. Lucy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Oh, I got something to play with. And it's on. Oh, yes, yes, it's terrifying. Beatrice, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hmm? See, Lucy will kind of tire out and give up, but not Bee. Bee will kind of act like she's chill, and she'll put it down, and then there it goes. And Lucy never wins anymore. Do you, Lucy? It's okay. It's okay. The puppy always wins.